superfast, facing 30-foot speeds, and stopping whaling and just bringing attention to the strait cause. And anything I can do, I will do for them. They're my heroes.
I like big waves.
Yeah.
Yeah! Can I do your brother?
Come on, I can do this all day.
We like it.
Okay, put the microphone. Yeah, pull the microphone.
Pamela?
In general, Sea Shepherd and I are, we're just trying our best to do everything we can, and if the oceans die, we die, so it's really important to keep the biodiversity in the oceans, and I can't wait for, Paul is, safe and sound, and I can't wait to get him back on campaign where he belongs and back out in the oceans.
And what is your connection with Bardot? You were talking about that before.
No, Brigitte Bardot. Well, the boat's named after her. She's a big animal supporter. I've known her, and she's asked me to do a couple functions for her on saving seals because both of us we obviously want that stopped. And it's one of the highlights of my life was just recently when we went to the Russian trade minister and he had stopped the importation of seal products. I've been bugging, them and been relentless trying to stop that, and so that's 90% of the market. So we believe that the seal hunt has ended. So good news.
Passionate about that.
I was an animal activist since I was little, but I grew up on an island and surrounded by beautiful whales and sharks and just by the oceans, and a lot of it goes unnoticed because you can't see it, so I think we take it for granted, and with everything kind of going on in the world, climate change, and it's just really important that we have people like Paul and we have Sea Shepherd out there protecting, the whales and everything in the ocean.
And what is if you wanted to get a message out, what would it be to people who might not know what's going on?
Well, I think the best thing to do is educate yourself and just go on seashepherd.org, look and see what you can do if you want to. It seems like it's becoming really cool to be a part of different campaigns and be an activist, and it's a revolution. It's a climate revolution. It's a lot of young people are very passionate. We realize that that we have to protect the earth if we want it for our grandkids and their kids, and so just get involved in any way you can.
And last question, your prediction for Dancing with the Stars?
I have no idea. I don't watch that anymore. Are you kidding me? I'm busy.
All right, good. Thank you. You're good.
Thanks. That's okay.
That was awesome. All right, cool.